I believe that everyone deserves a second chance, but you have to put the effort in. Ron lives in Florida, so I guess he's.
Oh, you fucking assholes. Be careful, dog.